This Sienna can do anything. Why in the world would you want a Toyota Sienna? Well, my friends, we're about to find out. This is a Toyota Sienna Limited 2023. It's front wheel drive. You can get it in front wheel drive or get this, all wheel drive. Sienna's the one. It's all hybrid and you can get it in all wheel drive if you want. Pricing ranges on any of the trim levels. You can get LE, XLE, XSE, Limited, Platinum, and even the Woodland Edition from high 30s all the way to low 50s. So what does this one run? A front-wheel drive starts at about $49,000. Another $2,000 or so for all-wheel drive. What about gas mileage that's either 35 combined or 36 in a minivan? That is incredible. And look at the looks here. Do you want a minivan front-wheel drive that averages 36? What about an all-wheel drive that averages 35? That is crazy. And you know what our friend Gnarls Barkley says, you know, CeeLo Green, maybe I'm crazy. And I think he was talking about this one right here when he was talking about the ridiculously crazy MPG in a Sienna. Something you might really appreciate about Sienna when you go inside, all the storage space, all the conveniences. We've got little storage pockets here, bottle holders here, and then the shelving system, the decking system. Look at this. Good place for, as we guys call it, wallet, phone, keys. Look at this, charging up there. That's smart. And then we've got this decking system here. You can put your elbows, your arms, get a little elbow room. We got storage underneath here. And then a nice modern layout here. Very convenient, very open, very inviting, and spacious. So look at this here. This is with these super long slide seats all the way back. Look at that legroom. So if you have 4 passengers, you're sitting pretty there, my friends. But also, if you have backseat passengers, they've got room as well. So let's slide that forward. Look at all this space to get to the back. So see, you can put it all the way back or all the way forward, and you really open up spacing possibilities for every single row. And what if you have a huge branch? How are you going to open up the side doors? You know, what you do is you just kick, just like that, and then you can get inside. And then what do you do if you still have this branch? Ladies and gentlemen, up next, Toyota Jeff. What we do is we walk up here, kick, and then we can load our branch and load me right inside. Yes, sir, the Sienna isn't plain. A lot of people wondered when Sienna came out only as a hybrid, how would it go? Well, 245 net hybrid horsepower, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine matched with electronically controlled CVT. This thing here, it's smooth, it's comfortable, it can accelerate up to highway speed, no problem at all. It can pull out into traffic, it can go up hills, things like that. It's okay. And yes, remember, you can get it in front wheel drive or all wheel drive. So that's a huge benefit there. 35 or 36 MPG, baby. Woo! Some safety features you might really appreciate. You know, peace of mind. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and also adaptive cruise control for the highways. You can do lane tracing assist, keep you centered in your lane. Also road sign assist, so it can pick up different signs and tell you if you're going too fast. This is Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. We've got LED headlights and daytime running lights there. Look at that silver metallic piece that sweeps all the way around from the side. Gives it some definition. There's a lot of 3D going on here, my friends. LED fog lights, love that. Look at the honeycomb design down below. It's a very sporty vehicle. And then kind of a bold, aggressive front end, that hood. But then look at this. Look at the lines, Russ. Look at the lines. Bam, it opens up as the sun hits it. Woo, that is sharp. And let's get a closer look at this profile here. This one has crossbars on it. Got the silver metallic rails. Got the moonroof, woo! Chrome trim around the windows. I always like having a cutout. If engineers can do this, you can see in front of and behind that pillar. It has turn signal indicators here. Blind spot. I like the 18-inch wheel design, do you? Look at the pattern here though. You'd think it was just one color, but it's actually not. It's got definition to it. It's got some grit. All right, gloss black. And this right here is where we would kick the Wi-Fi symbol, kick open. Chrome handles, auto touch here. We can open up this right here. A lot of different ways to open up the side doors and the back doors. Are you thinking mermaid tail? Are you thinking whale tail? What an intricate LED tail light design set up here. It's three-dimensional, goes all the way down, gloss black, and look at the accents here. We've got gloss black down below as well, parking sensors. They want you to know this is a hybrid. They're proud of that. 36 mpg. Yeah, I'd be proud of that too. All right, we've got chrome. Then we've got the wiper. Then let's open it up and see about the space here. Oh, look, we've got all this space. That's cool. That's cool. Now on some Siennas, you could put a seat right here. Some Siennas have the spare tire over there on the side. But how easy it is to get up the seats, you be the judge. That was pretty simple. Yeah, I like that. So see, just kind of bend and snap. Works every time. All right, got this. Look at this. Woo! Nice storage space here. I could put groceries. Very cool. And we've got child latch safeties right here. So we can do this and we can do that. Easy to do. And look at the sliding length of these super long slide seats. All the way up, all the way back. Pretty incredible. And imagine how much space you can open up in the back, in the front, middle seats, everywhere, man, everywhere. I'm in the third row. I'm 5'8". There's my room. Here's good room. You can put the seat all the way back. Remember, you can do that. That's no problem. And then we've got sunshades right here so you can block out a little bit of the sun. There we go. Hard to do that one-handed. All right, USB-A and USB-C right here, along with different cup holders like that. So we can come over here and notice up here, this is where the air comes out up above. But look at all this room here. If somebody just wants to sit in the back seat, one of your kids, and you don't need middle seat passengers, well, they've got a ton of room. So it really opens up, again, more possibilities of what you can do in this particular one. I really wanted to, that's why I was reaching over here. I wanted to show that you could recline your seat. It's reclined just like this. And now you got a ton of room and you can relax. These seats are very comfortable. Ooh, look up here. We've got temperature controls, pretty easy to use, accessible to the second row, easy stuff here. Look at the walkway. It's pretty decent sized. And then we've got a flex bottle holder, cup holder, more cup holders. You know minivans are gonna have cup holders. Sienna's loaded with them. That little piece right there, you can hook your purse, your bag, anything like that around there. And I see USBs. So, pretty convenient stuff, I'd say. In the second row, we've got these handles here you can grab onto. So if you got hip or back problems, easy to get up into. Watch this, I push this button. This is going to close safely. It will not shut. Let's try that again. Open sesame. Let's give it a running start here. No! See, just fine, safe. We're gonna see different patterns in here. Each trim level might have different, like this is like a faux wood grain type thing. You can put your phone right there, whatever you want, really. Storage pocket. Hello, storage pocket. Joe Rady would put a Twinkie there. Actually, he'd probably put 5 moon pies and wash it down with a Mountain Dew. Love Joe Rady. All right, so here we've got front and back. This does not go up and down. That would be nice to have here. That's the cooling vent right there for the hybrid battery, in case you were wondering what that is. Very soft. Good bolstering right here. Very comfortable seats. I think you'll find that that'll be pleasant to go on road trips. So, storage pocket right here, all the way down. This is wireless charging. Gee, USB over there. I see it. I see you. All right. What about underneath here? What do we have? Got a 12-volt circular. Some people use 12-volt circulars to plug things in, but a lot of room there, and it doesn't feel claustrophobic at all. It just seems kind of by design. Seems nice. Extra storage. Oh, wow, that's deeper than I thought. If you ride down the highway with all of your doors open, imagine the lighting. You'll get a nice breeze. I don't know if I'd suggest that. We're brainstorming. Not every idea is a winner, but look how open it is. Soft touch here. This isn't even totally hard. Got memory seats there. Nice materials, I think. Sienna, look, it matches the hybrid blue. I like that. Does it have lumbar support? Not only that, but it has four-way lumbar support, so it can go up and down. Upside down, you turn to me. Yeah, that's nice. See the stitching here? Nice and subtle. You can get this in different colors, of course. Probably beige, probably black. I haven't checked lately, so I don't want to tell you one thing. If your power doors are not working, it's because this button has been pushed in either accidentally or by choice. But you want to have the orange exposed so that you know. That's a grippy thing. If you put change in there, it's not going to roll around. But anyway, yeah, if that's orange there, then that means the power door should be working. Here you go. Power steering wheel. Nice feature. Is it a feature that you'd expect at this level? Maybe so. Leather wrap steering wheel here. Controls are easy to figure out, I think. And then here's our boom. Nice big speedometer. It tells us how fast we're going. Some different things that we could see. Okay, let's keep going here. Safety features. So in other words, there is a ton of information that you could see on this particular vehicle. See that? Got a nice size multimedia touchscreen right here. This is not Toyota Audio Multimedia. It's not updated yet, so it has wired Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. Just like that, you can do Sport, Eco, Normal Mode. EV is electric driving at low speeds, just for a short time. Electronic parking brake, brake hold. Again, more cup holders. That's a good, maybe cell phone holder type thing. Ooh, action shot. All right, we've got rear temperature controls. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go back to my room. Da 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 da. What a feeling. So see, when Sienna gets updated again, it'll have the Toyota Audio Multimedia, I would think, on this particular one. Some things we could see. It's got the dynamic navigation system here. This one has the upgraded integrated dash cam, so if that's something you want, check with your region to see if they can add that. That might be something that you want to have. I kept that sticker on there because it's like a mattress tag. Don't pull it off unless you buy it. Home link with garage door openers. There's a little spy camera here. And then we'll open up. How do we? There. Oh, that's the doors. Duh. I lost my train of thought there for a second there. That's not how you open the moonroof. This is how you open the moonroof. There you go. Ooh, pretty. Hope it's nice where you guys are. And then one last thing. I always like to show if we've got a lighted mirror and it says we're going to electric slide. You can do it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. Here's a window sticker for a Sienna Limited. Front wheel drive. Pre-dawn gray mica. This is made in Indiana. You'll see Highlander made there. Grand Highlander made there. Let's look at standard features. And then we'll start at that price, $49,100 for this one. Pricing for the 24 did not go up all that much at all. It still says 49 something, I think like 445. So it might have gone up like maybe $300, something like that. There we go. These are options that are added at the regional assembly port. And then this is 53,306. Here's where to find it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate you guys being here. What do you think about Toyota Sienna? Do you like the hybrid? Do you like the all-wheel drive? Is the Limited full of features that you would use? So let me know in the comment section. I want to know. All right, thanks, guys. My two channels are Auto Jeff Reviews and Toyota Jeff Reviews. So Toyota Jeff looks at Toyota and Lexus. Auto Jeff looks at everything, including Toyota and Lexus. And if you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, you'll see me all over the place there. Thanks, guys, so much. See you next time. Again, thanks for watching. Check out suggested playlists. We've got Sienna videos all over the place. They might help you. All different trim levels. Thanks, guys. check out the Sienna playlist.